All right, so yes, I do have a problem. I'm addicted to buying stuff. Anyway, I had a 2019 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special that I sold basically about a year and a half ago, somewhere around there. Before that, I had a Street Bob, had a few other bikes, actually a bunch of other bikes, bunch of street bikes. I had a 1990 GSXR 1100 that was pretty awesome, and I wish I never sold. Had those cool dual headlights on it. I had from BMWs, I had a Suzuki, I have a Honda CB750. You can't see it, but it's way back there behind the truck. It's a 1976 CB750. I'll never sell that one, even if it stays back there. It's just a classic bike, what they consider the first sports bike, actually. Anyway, this is my newest one. So this is a 2011 Road King, and I've been looking for a while. I felt kind of guilty having that Road Glide Special lying around because I never used it. It was brand new. This is a 2011 I bought used from the second owner, but he actually, he's the second owner. His relative was the first owner. And I got a great deal on it. So he did, or the previous owner kind of spared no expense in the mods that he did. So it's got Vance and Reinhardt pipes on there. It's got a stage 1. Got a few other things done to it. And they're all Harley parts. So this is new right there. He put these on there. What else? I mean, you can just look around and see these floorboards, pedals, all that stuff he added on. It's all Harley, genuine Harley parts. This rack back here. So he did a great job with it. Also, he included the fairing on the front. It also has the day makers, and those aren't like the Amazon ones. Those are the real Harley ones, which are basically the same, except they cost a lot more money. I'm fine with that as long as I don't have to pay for it. Sorry if it just got kind of dark, but in here is the fairing, and that's a terrible shot of it. Anyway, you'll have to take my word for it. Maybe I'll put a picture in here or put it in the thumbnail. But it's a really, really nice fairing. It's the Batwing fairing, and it's painted perfectly, and it's got stereo and speakers and all that stuff in there. He had that on here. I took it off just because I kind of I bought the Road King for its flexibility, but I do like the Road King more of a naked look with the big, huge front headlight. But I did have to cut the wires to do it, and so what I did was I just put these connectors, so it's got a way to quick connect the power and radio signal and all that. This one can't really see, but I did that. And other than that, I'm just gonna leave it like this because this bike is awesome. It's got the 96. I think the next year is when they came out with the 103, then the 107, and I think up to 114 now in the Road King Special anyway. Oh, and I did put the white walls on there. Those were actually pretty hard to find. Like everything else nowadays, everything's kind of super back ordered. I ordered the front one I had to order from a Harley Davidson dealer in Mississippi. There was only like 2 in the country according to the Harley that was looking for that tire for me. And I couldn't find it anywhere online. But the best thing about this bike is the paint. I don't know if this is going to do it any justice at all, but this paint is just fire. It looks awesome. From different angles, it's green, yellow, red, blue, purple. I mean, it just looks really sharp. I'll do a couple of videos on it. I don't know if you guys are interested. My channel's just kind of have a bunch of stuff on there. I know a lot of guys are here for the 97 Viper. I also have the 54 Chevy that is turning into a shelf. So, start it up real quick. maybe I'll do a couple videos. I do have a helmet set up to put a little camera on there, so maybe I'll do a couple videos on that as well. One of these days I'll get the CB750 out of there. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you guys have any bikes or have had any bikes. It's another one of my hobbies, but it's a lot of fun, and I actually really love the weather right now, so I got this just in time. A lot of people consider this the end of the riding season. I think this is perfect weather right now. All right, guys, thanks for watching.